Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's learn Tamil. Tamil is a very beautiful language. It is one of the oldest language in the world. In this video, we shall learn the exact Tamil words for some English words we use in our conversation and also the colloquial forms of the words we use in our daily life. Dawn, early morning, Athikaalai or Vidiarkaalai. The colloquial word we use is Vidiarkaalai. Morning, Kaalai. Afternoon, the Tamil word for afternoon is Madhiyam. While we are talking with others, in the colloquial form, we use Madhyanam. When will the match start? If somebody asks you a question like that, you have to answer Madhyanam. Madhyanam means afternoon. Evening. For this word, we use the Tamil word Maalai. Maalai. Maalai பொழுது. That means evening time. Colloquial word Saingalam. Saingalam or Saindaram. So these are two words we use while talking with others. Saingalam vare, Saingalam varuven. Varuven means I will come. Vare means I am coming. These are the words we use normally. If your friend asks you, when will you come? Eppo vara. Eppo means when. When will you come? When are you coming means eppo vara. When will you come means eppo varuva or eppo varuvinga. If you're talking to your elders, we are using the word varuvinga, eppo varinga means with respect. If you're talking to your friends, then that's no need to worrying pouring so your friends and people of our age or lesser age, we can use epavara, epavarava, epapora, that like that. So saingalam is the word normally we use. We don't use Maalai varuven. Maalai means it's a pure form, it's a pure formal writing. We use Maalai. We won't use saindaram or saingalam while writing in text form in Tamil. This is a Saingalam is normally colloquial for night. Iravu is the Tamil word for night. The colloquial word is Ratri. Ratri romba kulura irundhuchi means night time was very cold. Ratri varuve. I'll come at night. Midnight. The Tamil word for midnight is Nalliravu. As you know, night means Iravu. Midnight means Nalliravu. The colloquial word for Nalliravu is Naduratri. Nadu means middle, middle of the night. Nadu Ratri. Ratri is night. So we use Nadu Ratri. The Tamil word for yesterday is Nēttru. Nēttru or Nēttraya dhinam. Dhinam means day. Yesterday. Nēttraya dhinam. Both these words we use for writing as well as sometimes we use for talking with others in colloquial way. Nēttraya dhinam is the purest form. The colloquial word is Nēttru. Just while talking casually, it's Nēttru. Nēttru vanden. That means came yesterday. That is vande means I'm talking about myself. Vande. Ponen means I went. Nēttru vande. When did you come? If somebody asks you when did you come, Nēttru vande. Nēttru vande means I came yesterday. Today. There are more than two words for this word today in Tamil. Inru or Inraiku or dhinam. All are the same. All give the same meaning for the word today. The colloquial word we use normally while conversing with others is inneki. Inneki. Inneki varuven. Inneki varen. It means coming today. I will come today. Inneki. This is a normal word while, but we don't use while writing. Inneki is a word, not a proper word to write. Inru or Inraiku or dhinam. These are the words we use while writing or talking in the purest form. The colloquial word is inneki. Example: today is very hot. The sentence is இன்னைக்கு ரொம்ப வெயிலா இருக்கு. Today is very hot. இன்னைக்கு today ரொம்ப very hot வெயில் or சூடு. You can use any word. Tomorrow. Tamil words for tomorrow are Naalai or Naalaikku or Naalai dhinam. All are same for the word tomorrow. The colloquial form is Naalaki. This is the word normally we use while talking to others. நாளைக்கு வருவேன், நாளைக்கு போவேன். That means நாளைக்கு வருவேன் means I will come tomorrow. நாளைக்கு போவேன் means I will go tomorrow. நாளைக்கு போகிறேன், that means I am going tomorrow. Last night. The Tamil word for last night is Nētriravu or Nētriravu. Nētriravu are two words. Nēttru one word, Iravu one word. While writing, we can write Nētriravu or Nētriravu. Both are correct for the word last night. The colloquial words for last night are Nēttru. Nēttru is the word for yesterday, and Ratri for night. Nēttriravu vanden. Nēttriravu means yesterday. I came yesterday. Nēttriravu. Tonight. The Tamil words for tonight are Inraiku or Inriravu. Both are used to write for tonight. The colloquial word is Inniki Ratri. Actually, the two words Inniki Ratri. Inniki Ratri means that's a normal way of speaking while we are conversing with others, talking with others. Inniki Ratri வருவேன். இன்னைக்கு ராத்திரி போவேன். வருவேன் means will come. போவேன் means will go. Day before yesterday. Actually, it's a combination of three words in Tamil. Nēttru mundinam. Nēttru mundinam. That is a combination of three words. Nēttru mundinam. The colloquial words for day before yesterday is mundam naal, munda naal, mundinam. Mundinam is the previous day. Munda naal vanden. When did you come? Munda naal vanden. Munda naal vanden means I came the day before yesterday. Day after tomorrow. Naalai marunal. Naalai marunal. Usually, while you are talking to others, if somebody asks you a question, when will you come to our home? The Tamil answer is Nalanaki Maruve. That means I will come day after tomorrow. Last week. The words for last week is Sendravaram or Kadandavaram. Sendravaram means last week. Varam means week. Varam, week. The plural form of week is, weeks. Weeks means Varangal. When I sing Ngal, Varangal. Singular form is Varam. The plural form of Varam is Varangal. The colloquial words for last week are Pona Varam. Pona Varam means Pona means it's already finished last week or last day or last month. Pona Masam is last month. Pona Varam means last week. Last year means Pona Varsham. This week. Tamil words for this week are Indavaram. If someone asks you a question, when will you come? You have to answer Indavaram Maruve. That means I will come this week. Next week. Adutha Varam. Next means Adutha. Week, Varam. Adutha Varam Maruve. That means will come next week. This is a normal way we talk with others. When will you come? If you are asking to some of your friends, they should say Adutha Varam Maruve or Adutha Varam Vare. So Adutha Varam Maruve means that is a complete future tense. I will come next week, like that. Adutha Varam Vare means you are guaranteeing that I come, definitely you are going to come tomorrow next week. Adutha Varam Vare means come. Vare means present continuous tense, like that. Both we can be used, normally used like this. Adutha Varam Vare or Adutha Varam Maruve. Weeks. This is the plural word for week. The same way, Varam is the word for week and Varangal is the word for weeks. Varangal is the plural form. Day. Day is this day, tomorrow, yesterday, like that. Days of the week, like that. Naal. Naal is the word for day. Days. The plural form of day, is days. Natkal. Natkal is the word for days. Date. The Tamil word for date is Tedi. What is the date today? If someone asks you what is the date today, Inneki enna Tedi. Inneki means today, enna means what, Tedi means date. What is the date today means Inneki Tedi enna. This is a normal way we use to talk while asking about dates. Year. Year means Aandu or Varudam. We use both words while for in writing also, Aandu or Varudam. The colloquial word we use is Varsham, normally generally Varsham. In the Varsham means this year. Last year means Pona Varsham. Next year means அடுத்த வருஷம். So varsham is normally used while talking with others. While in writing we use ஆண்டு or வருடம். Years. The Tamil words are ஆண்டுகள் or வருடங்கள். While talking with others, we don't use plural words. Generally, 10 years means 10 வருஷமா 10 வருஷம். ஒரு வருஷம் means 1 year. 2 years means 2 வருஷம். This is sometimes we use we don't give much importance to singular or plural. So this is one of the kind of words. Last year. The Tamil words are கடந்த ஆண்டு, கடந்த வருடம், சென்ற ஆண்டு or சென்ற வருடம். The colloquial words for last year are போன வருஷம். Next year. அடுத்த ஆண்டு or அடுத்த வருடம். The colloquial words அடுத்த வருஷம். Guys, I hope you enjoyed this session and learned some Tamil words. Wish you good luck in your endeavors and bye now. And please subscribe our channel.